जब आप बड़े ब्रांड के साथ काम करते हो, लाइक हाउ थिंग्स वर्क, लाइक मे बी कुछ लोग ने क्लाइंट के साथ काम कर रखा है, इंडियन क्लाइंट से या फिर नॉर्मल लोग के साथ में, तो जब आप बड़े ब्रांड के साथ काम करते हो, नो डाउट जो अप्रोच है, जो बेसिकली मिडिल पर्सन है, कोई और होगा जिससे आप कम्युनिकेट कर रहे होंगे, क्या क्या इशू आते हैं और फिर क्या वहाँ पे एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज, वो सब बेसिकली कैसा होता है?
पहली चीज़ तो ये होती है, इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट because of somebody, then you are going to talk to the person who is the, you can say basically who's managing everything. कोई project management head होता है या फिर कोई let's suppose उनका CFO होता है, CMO होता है, so they are going to connect with you and they are going to make sure कि वो जो process है वो smooth रहे. But if you are directly connected with the decision maker and if you already hold that particular authority, right, then you are going to showcase everything to their, you can say, their own self. Along with that, there would be a project head or manager जो भी particular काम होते हैं, अलग अलग होते हैं. If it is about ads, if it is about PR and other stuff, then it is going to make complete sense कि आप directly उन लोगों से deal कर रहे हो जो professional. So this is the way it works. And like I told you, जब तक आपको ये ना लगे कि आप उनको solve कर सकते हो, you should not put your hands into, you can say, dirt. Because अगर आपने commitment कर दिया and if you are not able to fulfill that, you are just not losing out your credibility. At the same time, जो आपका पहला client है, he is also going to lose that credibility because he has actually made, you can say, made you introduced to that person. So this is what you need to think of. अगर आप अपने craft पे रोज काम कर रहे हो, if you're already working really hard, अगर आपको हर चीज़ पता है, if you are a professional, only you should try to deal with those people. Otherwise काफ़ी legal issues भी होती हैं, contract पूरा साइन होता है, काफी tenure होता है, एक fine भी होता है, you can say. So if you are not able to complete those projects in, you can say, a given deadline, it is also going to, they are going to sue you, they are going to file a case against you for. So this is it. Okay. So जिनके advantages हैं उतने risk भी.
Okay, so अभी आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा, इस पर आप काम कर रहे हो?
अभी फिलहाल right now I have registered a newly form जिसमें मैं exactly softwares का ही काम कर रहा हूँ. So I'm kind of working on actually 3 softwares, ठीक है? And I'm trying to create an ecosystem around my marketing firm, my coaching program, and you can say the work I'm into. उसके अलावा I'm into coaching, you can say, program. वो मेरा second part है, एक particular. I started it out of my curiosity. I wanted to help people and guide them. And मैंने उसमें एक particular amount रखा है कि if you are not able to get your target, you can ask for all of the amount that you have paid. So I'm charging 25,000 rupees for a 8-week session for 2 hours each. Okay. And उसमें 100% का refund है. There is a guy who has hit his first $10,000 in first 14 days. Yeah.
Nice.
So these are 3 things that I'm currently working with.
And जो आपका सॉफ्टवेयर है, if you want to, you can reveal.
Okay, I won't tell you everything in detail. जब तक उसका beta release हम नहीं करते. First thing is, you can say, the payment gateway. And second thing is, if you are a freelancer, आपकी जर्नी को काफ़ी आसान बना देगा because you do not need to reach out to people. आपको ढूंढना नहीं है कहीं पे. Hit the, you can say, action sheet of the data. You can download it. कोई भी particular keyword डालो किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में, किसी भी लोकेशन में, you are going to get lead. 100 कैफेज के आपको लिस्ट चाहिए. अभी फेसबुक की कितने एल्गोरिदम हैं, कितने फॉलोअर्स है, कब लास्ट पोस्ट डाला, सारी चीज़ें. So you just have to use that data. You have to reach out to those people, and this is the way it is going to work.
Okay.